Hi there, I'm David and welcome to another video, and today we're taking a look at the Brattonsound gun safe shotgun cabinet, really, or rifle cabinet, and this is the model number Sentinel Plus SS5 Plus. I don't know why it has plus twice in its name, but it does. This is us, London and home county safes. If you find this at all interesting, please click the subscribe button. It really helps to make our videos rank a bit higher. Much appreciated. Check us out online, londonsafes.co.uk. We're currently rated excellent on Trustpilot and 5 stars on Google. So the Sentinel Plus is a gun cabinet suitable for storing up to 5 firearms. It's operated with a single key that you see here, which operates bolts like a multi-point locking system, rather than the twin locks that you get with some of the other models, which is more convenient. 2 keys are supplied. So the external dimensions of this unit are: we have a height of 1115 millimeters, a width of 268 millimeters, and a depth of 271 millimeters, and it comes in at 38 kilograms in weight. We'll go ahead and open the unit now. And much like all the Brattonsound gun cabinets and gun safes, this is a all steel construction, powder coated grey, nicely made, robustly made. As you can see, these are the bolts that I was referring to down the side. Well, we've got 5 of them in total, and they're operated by the key. If I turn the key, you can see double throw. And if we go in here, we can see the Brattonsound logo, built and independently tested to BS 7558 1992, which they say is the only way to guarantee police acceptance. We certainly never had anything refused by any firearms officers. On this particular unit, the SS5 Plus, at the top you've got a shelf rather than an separate locking ammo box. And you can see 2 of the rear fixing screws here. Just a word, Brattonsound, if you are watching, please can you move those fixing holes into the main body of the safe, because it makes it extremely difficult to do them up. We use a ratchet and it really difficult to work inside here. It's the same with the locking box. They're in here. That's my little rant over. We're talking about fixing holes. The other 2 are down in the base there, you can see them, and there's 2 more under that sponge mat at the bottom for bolting to the floor. So up here you've got your sponge separator for the weapons, with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 slots. I've popped our air rifle in so you can get an idea what it looks like with something inside. So if you are buying one of these from us, remember it's free delivery and free installation. We're very pleased to have your business. There are a couple of accessories that you can choose at checkout, some relevant, some not relevant. Probably the only 2 that are relevant really to this is this automatic movement operated magnetic light. It's got a magnet on the back there, and also this dehumidifier safe dry device. So I've popped the light in there so you can get an idea. It turns on, movement activated. It's already seen me, illuminates the contents there, the internal space. And this box of tricks is the dehumidifier, the safe dry dehumidifier, which, as you can see, is recommended for keeping inside the box to keep moisture away from your firearms. You should also be doing your oiling and everything else that's recommended for your particular weapon. So this is a box with decant material, I can never think what it's called, that absorbs moisture. It's not activated at the moment, but it has got this meter that shows you the humidity, and you can reuse it. So you put it, here we are, so safe dry can be dried, so once it's collected some moisture, you can put it on top of a radiator or in an airing cupboard, something like that, and dry it out and then use it again. But in summary, that was the Brattonsound Sentinel Plus SS5 Plus. There's that double plus again. And this is us, London and home county safes, londonsafes.co.uk. Check us out online. Thanks for watching. I've been David. Bye-bye.
Free delivery and free installation. Your safe will be delivered and professionally installed by one of our own vetted employees who will arrive in an unmarked vehicle. Get in touch online or call us on 0800 711 7892.